Znaš, Dragane, deca da se druže, brate, dobro. To što žena je baš ne može se trpeti, to nema veze, to je razumljivo. Ali šta, deca može da se druže, tako, da se slažete sa mnom, evo i devojka, tako? Pa naravno. Vidi, to je tvoj zadatak.
Welcome to the lab. In this video I shall show you this combination I found of this Soviet portable TV, Saphir, and this West German Pong console clone. They were both non-working, so what I did with the TV, reflowed the entire PCB, changed all the capacitors, cleaned the tuner switch, the rest of the potentiometers, and that's it. It was working. This thing had the board was broken on the serving button here, as you can see. I know, let's restart. You have to go, what was it? Winkel? No, Aus ein. This one. There you go. Now it will do beep beep. It's a color console, this one. As you can see, it's got the 3 colors, but the way the color is done is with the tuner. So the tuner itself has the option where you can, as you may or may not know, the field, the score, the pedals are all and the ball are all different elements, all different outputs on the single game chip. They separately go into the tuner, then the tuner encodes them in color. There is no actual color, but since this is a black and white TV, player 2 is black and player 1 is white, and as you can see, it works. So we've got pelota, which is, I don't know how it's called in English, this which is a bit flaky. We've got squash, we've got foosball, that was the one that was on it. We've got tennis, we've got classic Pong, we've got a gun game, and then another gun game. From the controls, we have these buttons. This button accelerates the ball. This button does nothing. This potentiometer moves, of course, the left, and this potentiometer moves the right. Player. These are removable. And from the controls, we have on and off. We have ball. Where is that ball? Yeah, that's the ball. Small or big. We have speed, slow or fast. We have the serving, automatic or hand, and then you have size of the player. So there you go. It will not serve. I have to press start, and then speed. Small ball or big ball, and that's it. The TV has the brightness knob, the contrast, the sound. Oops, fell out. Anyways, just set that to minimum. This has a built-in speaker. On the back, it's got horizontal size or horizontal position, vertical position, vertical sync, and or I'm not sure actually. Vertical. You see these two? This is vertical center and this is vertical size. On the back it's got 12 volts input as it's a portable TV. Here is the back plate. Saphir 23 Tub 307. Price in rubles not written. It's got the antenna. It's got antenna ears or just a stick antenna, and then that's the jack with fuse. And yeah, first 2023, no 10th 2023, that's when I fixed this. What else can I say? It's got a, let me just go to the schematic. So as you can see here, this is the AY8500 chip. It's got left pad, right pad, boundary, sync and ball. They are all separate outputs. They go through a bit of digital logic. And this is the pinouts on the tuner. It's got literally this is the actual schematic. And then this is from the original mini me or whatever it's called PDF. It's all described here, an alternate color encoding system. This is the block diagram. So this is what actually creates the color. It's all available online. This is the schematic of the TV. In yellow you can see all the replaced capacitors, almost all of them. Actually I replaced literally all of them except some in the audio section right here. Like this one I didn't replace, and I did not replace this one as it was still running, working. The first issue I had with this was somewhere around here. I think it was C40 that was in the size. This one is connected in series with the potentiometer, as you can see. This cap was not conducting. It was open, so the size, the vertical size was too small. That caused most issues troubleshooting. After that, the rotary switch there for the selection, so like it's this one right here, this switch, or yeah, it's this switch that was that had bad contact, so it would skew the image and everything. This is RF, and it's pretty picky. And this is the funniest regulator I've ever seen. As you can see, it's got a series pass transistor, a voltage comparator based on 2 transistors, and then I think somewhere around here is a diode. This one, no, it's this one. This is a zener that creates the reference, 12 volts, but the transistor is bypassed by 2 resistors, so if you don't have a load on this, it creates 28 volts. That put me off for quite a while. Other than that, I did not have many issues. The board quality on the TV is terrible, as this is made in like the falling Soviet Union, made in Belarus, or actually I think it's made in actual Russia. But other than that, that's it. Oh, and this is the lab. So, as you can see, it's part of our continuous casting section. So, this TV was probably brought in by Russians or something, maybe back in the day, Who knows? Maybe they bought it or something. It is definitely an export model, as it does not have the price in rubles. Oh, and the one last thing. So this TV supports 220 volts, and it supports 12 volts. When you plug 220 volts into it, 12 volts comes out of this socket, and as this is a battery powered device, I just oh, it died. Cool. Huh. Well, something died. Anyways, RIP TV, high tension just died. Let me unplug it. Anyways, I take the 12 volts out and I drive it through a buck converter here so that I get 9 volts. Anyways, thank you for watching, and let me see what died.